Hello students, happy spring break. I want to offer another way to solve this problem. In a previous video, we solved it step by step. We showed all the work. We solved it as if it was given to us as an open-ended show work math word problem. Here, I want to show what if it was a multiple choice, and what would we do if it was a multiple choice, how we try out the answer, do a different strategy, and also what if there's a way to hack this problem? What if there's a way to solve this problem quickly? So let's read the problem one more time. If you want to see the detailed solution, it's in the previous video. I'll put a link in the description. Here is the question. Today, Lynn's age is 1/6 of George's age. So today, Lynn's age is 1/6 of George's age. In 5 years, Lynn's age will be 2/7 of George's age at that time. So 5 years from now, Lynn's age will be only 2/7 of George's age. How old is George today? So again, in the previous video, I'll put a link in the description. We solved it step by step as if it was a math word problem, open-ended. Here, let's say it was, we wanted to hack it. We wanted to do it a little bit quicker. Well, organizing our thoughts is still the same way. We write today, and we say in 5 years. So in five years. And we have Lynn, our characters are Lynn, and we have George. And we know that the statement says in 5 years, Lynn's age will be 2/7 of George's age. So we know that there are certain ratios that the answers have to be in 5 years. We know it could be, for example, 7-2. It could be 14-4. See, like here we're going by 2s, here we're going by 7s, right? It could be 21 to 7, so 6. It could be 28 to 8. It could be 35 to 10, and so on. 7/2, 14/4, 21/6. All these are in the ratios of 7/2. So we know that the answers in 5 years, the pairs are either 7-2, 14-4, 21-6, 28-8, 35 and 10, and we can even go further. We could go 42-12, but let's stop right here just because we know, our gut feeling tells us that we could eliminate some of them. So 2 and 7, we know that that can't work. The reason that can work is, well, they can't be 2 and 5 years ago they were negative, so we know that that's not right. 14 and 4, that doesn't work either. The first plausible answer is 21 and 6. Well, if it's 21 and 6, what were the ages 5 years before? You know, so this was 16, and 16 is not divisible by 6. This is 16 and 1, so we know that that's not going to work. 28 and 8, so 5 years ago George was 23 and Lynn was 3. 23 not divisible by 3, you know, it's not 1/6, so we know we're eliminating. Now we get to something promising, 35 and 10. So 5 years ago George was 30, and 5 years ago Lynn was 5. 30/5, 5 is 1/6 of 30, so that satisfies the condition. So we know right away that the answer is George was indeed 30. And the final answer is indeed, to the question, is 30. George was 30. And we know that that's going to add up very quickly. We know that that's going to work because George is 30. George was 30. George is 30 today. Lynn is 1/6, so 5. In 5 years, George is going to be 35 and Lynn is going to be 10. And 35 and 10 is our winning combination. And the final answer is George is 30. So doing it this way, in a way, we're not doing it with equations. We're just kind of hacking it. That's a way to do the problem a bit quicker. In a lot of these standardized tests, speed is all of the issue. It's all about hacking it and finding quick ways to solve it. So I have the best students in the world. Even on spring break, I get questions saying, I'm working on this, and I want to record a video every time I get a question, because it's really important. I mean, sometimes I just answer the email directly, but sometimes it's useful to do a video, and that is great. And if this was a multiple choice question, you know, we don't have to do it step by step, show the work. Sometimes we can just try out some of the answers given, and we can hack standardized testing, because that's the skill. My goal is to make you a math genius, the best version of yourself. I'm proud of you. Spring break, can't wait to see you next week. Bye-bye.